tapping on my window since for the break of day. Coffee done got cold beside me. Lord, I ain't moved away. Them pine trees bowing low, wind humming through the screen. Everything look washed clean, except the mess I made of me. Every drop keep telling me, boy, you ought to listen. It's that Texarkana rain falling on my window pane. Lord, it sounds just like her leaving, calling out my name. Sunshine don't know where I've been. Clouds know every little thing. I swear heaven cry a little harder when it rained in Texarkana. Drove on down State Line Avenue, didn't have nowhere to go. Past the church where Mama prayed. She probably already know. Red River running muddy, just like this old heart. Funny how little rain can tear a hard man all apart. Just slid the cup across the counter, looked me square up in my eyes, said, P.A.T. rain quits sooner or later. Question is, were you? I done blame the weather, done blame bad luck, done blame whiskey, done blamed everybody but me. It's that Texarkana rain soaking through my soul again. Lord, every drop keep whispering, you ain't who you been pretending. Maybe tomorrow bring blue skies, maybe mercy find my door. But tonight this rain and me, we gon' sit here a little while more. Texarkana rain wash over me. Texarkana rain set this old fool free. Folks say rain wash everything away, maybe, but some things you gotta wash from the inside.